Subordinate courts. The courts at the district level and below it are known as the subordinate courts. There are different courts in each district to decide the civil and criminal cases. The highest civil court in a district is that of the district judge. Cases involving more than ₹5,000 come for hearing to the district judge. He also hears appeals against the decisions of the lower courts. The civil cases of lesser amounts are decided by the sub-judges, munsifs, and junior magistrates. The highest criminal court in a district is that of the sessions judge. Generally, the district judge also works as the session. Cases of murder, dacoity, etc. are heard by the sessions judge. He can award capital punishment subject to the approval of the High Court. Appeals against the decisions of the lower courts are heard by the district courts, while appeals against the decisions of the district courts are heard by the High Court of that particular state. The judges and magistrates of the subordinate courts are appointed by the governor of the state from the state judicial services as recommended by the State Public Service Commission. Their pay and allowances are decided by the state concerned from time to time. Powers and functions. High Courts. India at present has 29 states and 7 union territories, including National Capital Territory of Delhi. The Constitution of India provides for one High Court for every federating state in the country. But the Parliament has been given the power to put more states under one High Court. It all depends on the area and the population which a High Court has to serve and the amount of work it has to handle. For example, there is only one High Court for the 2 states of Haryana and Punjab, while the National Capital Territory of Delhi has a separate High Court. Composition. A High Court consists of one Chief Justice and as many other judges as the Parliament may fix from time to time. Besides, the Chief Justice of a High Court can call any judge from the subordinate courts to serve in the High Court temporarily if the load of works so demands. A temporary judge can be appointed for a period of not more than 2 years and cannot hold office after the age of 62. Qualifications. The Chief Justice as well as other judges of the High Court must possess the following qualifications. He should be a citizen of India. He should have worked as a judge in any court in India for not less than 10 years. Or he should have worked as an advocate in the High Court or High Courts in India continuously for 10 years. Or he should be a renowned writer in the field of law. Or he should have been a recognized teacher of excellent reputation.